Hey everyone, this is Matt at Alesis, and I'm here to show you the Alesis Recital Pro digital piano. The Recital Pro is a full-featured digital piano with 88 full hammer action keys, and it's loaded with great features for students who are just getting started as well as professionals. Let's take a listen to some of the Recital Pro's 12 built-in voices, and I'll show you some of the things you can do with them. First, to select a voice on the Recital Pro, all you have to do is just press one of the voice buttons. Each voice button has two selectable voices, and if you want to select the second voice, you just hit the button again. You can add modulation, reverb, and chorus effects to your sound, and they can be turned on and off by pressing each of those buttons on the top panel. One cool feature is layer mode, which is used for layering two voices together for a full, rich sound. To do this, select the first of the two voices you want, and then hold down the layer button and select the second voice. For example, if I want piano and strings, I would select piano, and then while holding down the layer button, I would select strings. Another great feature is split mode, which divides the keyboard into two separate voices. For example, vibraphone in the right hand and bass in the left hand. A useful feature for teachers and students is lesson mode. Lesson mode divides the keyboard into two areas with identical pitch and voice, so a teacher and student can easily watch each other and play together without having to take turns. To access this mode, just press Lesson. The Recital Pro has 20-watt speakers, so it can get nice and loud. But if you want even more volume, you could hook it into an amplifier, PA speaker, or home stereo system by using the 1/4-inch line outputs on the back. You can also connect your headphones to the Recital Pro's headphone output, and this will mute the onboard speakers so you can practice in private. Once again, I'm Matt from Alesis, and thanks for checking out the Alesis Recital Pro digital piano. We'll catch you again next time.